Okay.
This is the magical ponytail extension. The ponytail extension, we use this magical tape. I'm going to show you like this. First, the size of the cross is 4x4. The size of the cross is 4x4. I'm going to show you this one. This is 4 and 4. This is the size of the cross. We use only one bundle to make this magical tape ponytail extension, and a lot of customers keep asking me, why don't you make 2 bundles volume for the ponytail extension, or at least 1.5? And let me tell you why. Because of the size of the cross, we can only fit 1 bundle volume on this small cross. Maybe we ask, why don't you use a bigger size cross like 5x5? But I'm not sure if you use the 5x5 cross is if it looks good after you install on the head. Let me show you this magical tape now. This is the one, and this one, and this one. This is 1 bundle volume to make this magical tape ponytail extension. Look, it's very easy to stick on the tape. This one. Yeah, you can wrap your own hair. Wrap with your own hair like this one. This. So I am going to wrap it again and put it on this, like this one, like this style. And let me tell you, once you use the longer bundle to make this magical tape ponytail extension, the end will look thinner. This is I think this is the medium size length for the bundle we make for the ponytail extension. But maybe if you use like 28 inch, 30 inch, 26 inch, the end will look thinner once it goes longer. So this length is much better look now. This one. And this hair can last more than 3 years. You can color this hair because this customer keep buying the pure 100% virgin hair every day. We ship the virgin hair out for the customers. You can color it very nice, and after you color the hair, this ponytail, the hair quality still can last very long time. This and again, I will show you another one. Is the 613 color. 613 color is the 360 frontal. This one, 360 frontal. Customer will buy this 360 frontal and the bundles together. They will make the wigs by themselves, because this is the lace, all 360 lace. This one. This one. This one. So we have a this one. You just need to okay, now this we have a cloth to sew around this 360 frontal. We have a cloth to sew, and after we use the cloth, you assume this is one is the cloth, and we will sew the bundle on the crown, on the top, so it will become the 360 wigs with this one. This you can check. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.